now you both are ready. Let's go then.
Mummy and Gattu quickly go to clean the rooms. And Chinky and Papa clean the spider webs in the living room. Nobody even realizes when slowly and steadily the entire house is clean. And everyone sits down in the clean living room after turning on the AC.
Here you go, guys. Chill and refreshing juice. You all worked really hard today.
After all that work, drinking this fresh and cold juice is just amazing. You're right, Chinky.
But just then, Gattu Chinky's friends arrive over there.
Gattu, Chinky, are you ready? We have to go and clean the playroom, right?
Oh yes, it's 4 o'clock.
But kids, why are all of you cleaning the playroom?
Uncle, we only play there, right? So the secretary uncle said it's our responsibility to clean it too.